Inday. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, so earlier, Sir Vicky came here and we do have a live broadcast. And we Paramni give each of you 100 pesos. So please receive. Kuhaan ninyo palihog. Okay, tagay sila Inday.
We Paramni Annyeonghaseyo kamsahamnida.
Okay, so nagunsa mo sa inyo ha mga Inday?
Limpyo.
Cleaning your house. Okay, very good. Okay, so later on, maato sa study room ha, mag-study. Okay? Okay, fighting! Naluyo man lagi, fighting! Okay, bye-bye! So, annyeonghaseyo students? Okay, so we are very lucky today. We will going to have a Jollibee and it is from Ichanggunim. Okay, so lakaw na, sulod na. Changgunim, chalmakisumnida. Okay, kaon na. Kaon daghan ha. Eat as many. Eat many day. Eat many Eli ha. Delicious? Delicious. Ikaw sa Eliza, eat many. Hotdon ha. So, hotdon ang pagkaon para ma-full ang bata. So, additionally, we ordered for your takeout. So, you want your takeout, right? Ganahan mo mag-take out? Okay, so, kaon magbalik sa inyo ha. Para mas mabusog mong taman. Okay, so, okay. Bye-bye. Wala pa bye-bye. We will buy ice cream. Okay, let's have a picture. Hana, do, set, say cheese. Ay, kimchi de, kimchi. Say kimchi. Kimchi. Ikaw, kamo. Joke, only video, not picture. Okay, day, ato na sa counter day ang ice cream. Kau na, Eli. Ali. Ganahan ka sa ice cream? Kaon daghan ha. Okay. How about you, Eliza? Tami? Hoy, pag tissue ni kahuman kay puno ka ay imong baba oh, nagkahugaw. Tissue ha. Ikaw, Chloe. Kaon daghan. Mashi soyo? May tissue day? Tagay sila.
안녕하세요. 바람님, 감사합니다. Thank you for the grocery, biscuits, profan, gummy, silin gummies, coffee ko, egg and chicken and pig, apple, bananas, milk, and super crunch. 감사합니다. Hello. Viparnim, thank you for the money you give to buy vitamins, the egg, the chicken, and the pork. And all of this, I'm very thankful and I'm very happy. Viparnim, 감사합니다. This is the chicken. And this is the pork. And this is the hot dog. And this is the Dutch milk. And this is the ZO. And this is the orange. And this is the mango. And this is the melon. And this is the fish. And this is the vitamins propan CLC syrup. And this is the Celine gummies. Viparnim, 감사합니다.